If you are planning to apply for the Commonwealth Shared Scholarship, but you don't know where to start from or how to choose the right course, this video is specifically for you. Watch it to the very end because I am going to walk you through the exact process step by step. And here is something important you should know. Yes, academic achievement is very important when it comes to this scholarship. However, your plan to impact your community and your story also matters. If you are worried about your grades, don't get discouraged. Your vision for change is just as powerful. Hi there, my name is Bright Agbenyo. I am a registered nurse in the UK, originally from Ghana, and I recently upgraded my diploma to degree at the University of Suffolk with a scholarship from UNICAF. So if you are a diploma nurse and you are looking to upgrade from diploma to degree, or you are a degree nurse looking for master's opportunities, or even you are a healthcare professional or any other professional and you want an affordable, flexible online degrees or master's programs to advance in your career, then look no further. Check the pinned comment and apply for a UNICAF scholarship today. We are talking about the Commonwealth Shared Scholarship and how to choose the perfect course for your application. Now, as I shared in my previous video, the Commonwealth Shared Scholarship is accepting application for the next academic year, that is 2026. And the first question everyone asks is, how do I know which course to apply for? Or how do I even start the application process? That is exactly what we are going to solve in today's video. I am going to show you my screen, walk through this with you live, and by the end, you will know exactly how to find courses that match your background. If you are ready, let's get started. Before we proceed, here is what you need to understand. First, the Commonwealth Shared Scholarship courses are delivered in alignment with 6 development themes. These are science and technology for development, strengthening health systems and capacity, promoting global prosperity, strengthening peace, security and governance, strengthening resilience and response to crisis, and finally, access, inclusion and opportunity. Any course you choose must align with one of these themes, but here is what is most important. The course must be related to 3 things. Number 1, your background, that is your education, your work experience, and number 2, your country's needs. What Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, whatever your country is, what it actually needs. And number 3, your impact plan, how you use this degree to create change when you go back to your home country. Because remember, the aim of this scholarship is for you to return home and make a difference. Having given you an overview of the scholarship, let's head straight to my laptop so we start the application or the program search process. Let's go to our browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any browser of your choice. So you open a new tab just like I have opened, and then we search for Commonwealth Shared Scholarships. I have searched it before, so that is it appearing. I'll go and I will look through the results. I'm going to go for this very first one, that is Commonwealth Shared Scholarship 2026 eligible courses. No. Okay, this one is Commonwealth Scholarship Commission in the UK. Yeah, I think that's the link I want to use. Click that link, open it, and then you appear on this beautiful website here. Here you can see Commonwealth Shared Scholarships overview. Where you want to go straight to is you want to go to how to apply. Now, how to apply, there are several information here you can read to understand, but our interest is on view full list of approved courses and then view details of participating universities. Okay, so we are going to go for the first link, view full list of approved courses. Now, once you open that, you will see a new page has opened, and you will see all the courses that have been offered. Like I said to you earlier in the video, the courses are delivered under 6 developmental themes. So if you click on any of the themes, you can see on the left hand side there are 6 themes aligned. If you click on any of them, it opens the various courses that are available. So right now we are on access, inclusion and opportunity, and over here you can see Liverpool Hope University MA Disability Studies, and so on and so forth. To put this in context, I am going to use myself as an example. So if I am applying for this scholarship, my background is in health because I am a registered nurse. So I need to choose a program that aligns with my background and my experience because I've been working as a nurse. So, the course has to align with my background. And then 2, it has to align with the developmental needs of my country, which is Ghana. And of course, Ghana is lacking behind in so many aspects in terms of health. So I'll look for a program that is related to health, especially public health, community health promotion, and those kind of things. So let's see. The first one, access, inclusion, opportunity. When you look through, the only course here that is related to health is University of Southampton MSc Gerontology. So I can shortlist this course. So I'll copy this course and put it somewhere in my Google document. So I'll open a Google document. Let's say docs, and then open new. I'll paste the course over here. So this, I am making a short list, okay? Then I'll go back to the page, and then I'll look for the themes. If you look through the themes, there's one that is focused on health. That is improving population health, health systems and capacity. I'll go to improving population health, health systems and capacity. Now, if you come to this page, you see the various courses here. We have Bangor University, we have MSc Public Health and Health Promotion. So I'll copy this as well and go and put in my documents. So that is, I'm shortlisting that program. Then we have King's College London, MRS Clinical Research. I'm not interested in that. We have King's College London, MSc Health Psychology. I'm not interested in that. We have MSc Mental Health Studies. If you're interested in it, you can choose it. We have MSc Palliative Care. Probably interested in this. So copy this and go and paste in my documents as usual. And then we have Liverpool Hope University, MSc Public Health. So you run through and make a short list of about 3 to 5 programs that you are interested in. Once you are done with this process, open a new tab. Open a new tab and start searching for those programs specifically. So one of the programs I looked for is palliative care, right, at King's College London. So I'll paste that in my browser and add King's College London. Let's see what comes up. I can see palliative care MSc postgraduate diploma, King's College London. I'll open it. So we are on the website of King's College London. Once you land on this website, it says palliative care MSc postgraduate diploma or postgraduate certificate. You can choose to read about these programs. But the first thing I want to do once I land on this page is to go and look at the fees section to see that, okay, they have mentioned about the scholarship. So this is actually the fees for the program, but let's see the scholarship section if Commonwealth Shared Scholarship is mentioned here. Okay, so fees and funding section. Once you come here, I'm scrolling down to see search for available scholarships and bursaries. So this is what I'm looking for. Search for available scholarships and bursaries. Once I open that, I will look for Commonwealth Shared Scholarship. Yeah. Then we can see, okay, so Commonwealth Shared Scholarship Scheme. So tuition fees, stipend, travel, UK, foreign and Commonwealth office. So this program, just like it was mentioned on the Commonwealth website, they support with scholarship. So now that I've confirmed this, I'll go back to the program page to go and look at the entry requirements, right? To see if I meet the entry requirement for the program. So I have entry requirement. So here it says you should have a minimum of second class upper undergraduate bachelor's degree, and then if you have a lower degree classification or a degree in an unrelated subject, your application may be considered if you demonstrate significant relevant work experience or offer related graduate qualifications such as a master's or postgraduate diploma. So this scholarship is very flexible. They do a lot of considerations. Okay, so you look at it and then apply. You can read the requirements here. It's asking me to choose a country so that you can know what kind of requirements you need. So let me say Ghana. Let's look for Ghana. So Ghana should be somewhere here. Yeah, here is Ghana. And then so Ghana, you need English language requirement. That is English language band D. To study at King's, it is essential that, so you can read about that, selection process and everything, and then apply for the program. So like I shared in my previous video, the Commonwealth Shared Scholarship application is done in 2 phases. Okay, you do the first application with the scholarship scheme, and then the second one with the university. You have decided on what programs you want to go and study. The scholarship scheme has a closer deadline, which is 9th December for this year, for the next academic year. You can go and apply for the scholarship first, then you can come and proceed with the university application. But mind you, there can be an instance where you get a scholarship but you won't get the admission. But that should not deter you. Or you can do both concurrently, but make sure you focus on the scholarship application since it has a lot of essays to write and the application deadline is closer than that of the university. I hope this gives you some clarity. So that is how you choose the program. You do the same for all the programs you have shortlisted and then apply to them. And that will be our demonstration for today. Go and start your application right now. Now I want to hear from you in the comment below. Tell me, what country are you from and what field are you interested in studying? Drop a comment like Nigeria, public health, Kenya, renewable energy. Let's build a community of future Commonwealth scholars right here. I read every comment. If this video was helpful in any way at all, please hit the like button, share to a friend, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, because I'll be sharing more videos on scholarships and how to apply for them and so many other valuable videos that will add some value to your career progression journey. If you are a diploma nurse looking for opportunities to upgrade to a degree, or you are a degree nurse and you want to study masters flexibly online with affordable payment plan school fees, check the comment section and apply for a UNICAF scholarship. Thank you. Bye.